Hey everyone, just making a quick update video. The team builder on my website is officially finished. All of the Loomians have been added. You can now search them up if you wanted to. This is a random team that I'm making called Starters. It's just all the starters. We have Zulong and Seer Knight right now. I just put like a random set here. Same for this. And if I wanted to add another Loomian, let's say Vesperatu, then you can search that up. You can add Vesperatu, and then you can start editing. So I think it's clear that Secret Ability Vesperatu is better than Awakening. And I'll just run a Dark Essence here, put like a random gender, and then I'll have Slap Down, that's one. I'll have Shadow Sprint. I'll have Revival, and I will also add Sharpen. Not trying to make it like an optimal set here, I'm just putting like random stuff to show you how the team builder works, but as you can see, it'll show all of the data on the moves below them. So like Slap Down has 65 power, 45 energy, 100% accuracy, his dark type move, and his melee attacking. It won't show you like all the effects that each move will have. Like Slap Down doubles in power if the enemy has an item and then takes their item out or whatever. It doesn't show any of that, so keep that in mind. But other than that, it shows like support moves, shows accuracy, stuff like that. If you want to change your TPs, you just change them here. So I'll put 20 energy, I'll put maximum attack, I'll put maximum speed, I guess, and I'll also put 80 HP. For the personality, you can pick either a totemized personality. You could just have like a regular personality like that that's not totemized, but like for valuables, obviously you would want a totemized personality. I'll do tender, not frail, tender. But yeah, so that's how you use the Loomian editor. And it'll like automatically save each Loomian, but just keep in mind that if you click back to teams without saving your changes, then it will ultimately like not save. So you want to make sure you click this save changes button whenever you can so that all of your Loomians are saved. So like if I go back to teams now the Vesperatu is saved and everything is here. If you wanted to make a new team, you would just go here to Loomian Legacy Team Builder, you add new team. You just name it whatever you want. I'll just put test for now, and then you can add literally anything. Like I'll put Himber right now. You could put like anything you want here, and then it'll work just fine. But you just want to like make sure you're like adding, saving, stuff like that, so that it's all there. But if you wanted to delete the team, you could also do that. And you can also just click around and view each team separately. So there's that, and I think that's pretty much the main gist of it. But you could also like edit your team name if you wanted to. So maybe I'll name this I don't know, starter trio, I'll say something like that. And then if you press save changes, it'll change the name. But yeah, other than that, like it's pretty that's pretty much it. But if you wanted to like add soul bursts, you have the regular Loomian and the soul burst variant as well. So if you have the regular Loomian, you can just put Icy Burst here. But if you didn't want to go through all that effort, you could just go to Icicle Incarnate and it'll automatically put the Icy Burst there for you. All the forms should be here too as well. Yeah, like Gargolem and all of its forms, Cosmeor and all of its spore worms will all be there as well. And yeah, pretty much like the stats are also working fine, so you don't need to worry about any of that. There is one thing though, like some Lumians might have like duplicate moves in their moveset and whatnot, and I think like the earlier Lumians that I programmed in might not have the correct order for the typings, like maybe like let's say I think like Vesperatu, like if it's a primary dark type and secondary spirit type, there might be like a scenario where it's like spirit type was put as the primary type and dark was secondary type, if that makes sense. But just small things to keep in mind. But other than that, like it's functional. If there is something wrong with it, it's probably gonna be something minor like duplicate moves or the types are swapped. But yeah, and if you save your changes, right, you can exit out of your tab and it'll still save. You can close your browser, you can restart your computer, but as long as you don't reset your browser and whatnot, everything will save. So like if I reload right now, it's still here. Um, and if you wanted to export your team, you can click this button here and it'll literally show you all the Loomians you have and their set. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just this. I just have this here because I want to like eventually make Pokemon Showdown for Loomian Legacy, which I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to do that, but I'm gonna try my best. But it's also like a convenient place to like make your teams because you have all these other tools here on the same website. So yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.